So what's up YouTube, what's up Facebook, kung saan man ito i-post. So for today's video tayo magmo-Mobile Legends. So let's fucking go.
Don't stare too long or you'll hurt your eyes.
Let's go. Yes, this ball. Yes, this ball. Makinig kasi kayo sa akin.
Please ban a hero.
Iba nyo na kasi si Estes. Yan, tama yung mga ginagawa nyo. Makinig lang kayo. Para manalo tayo lahat. Paano tatagos? Sabi ko, Hylos, putang ina ang pinik binilita.
Payback time.
Ako na yan.
When you gaze into the abyss, an abyss.
Paano tatagos?
Enemy is picking.
Paano tatagos? Limutan ko yung linyahan na yun ah.
It's my way. I have a heart of
highway.
light. Therefore, I do not fear the
Wag-ak.
darkness.
Wag-ak. Anong wag-ak? Wag-asa-as. Wag-asa sa SP ha? Anong SP? Anong meaning ng SP? Supaply?
The falling stars brought us
Sky
here.
Piercer?
The enemy is picking.
Kala ko Supaply. Supaply? Hindi kami aasa sa'yo sa SP. Huwag kang mag-alala kaibigan.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Bangon kabataan.
The enemy
Joke lang.
reaches the battlefield.
Suma tayo, red o blue?
Request troops deployed.
Maya ka na dyan. Kaya mo na yan. Big boy ka na, di ba? Bangon kabataan. Ingat ah. Ingat. Mag-iingat ka kaibigan. Kaibigang bot lane.
Why does the moon seem so warm to me?
Gago ka. Patay na to. Gago ka. Ang ina mo naman. Putang ina. Oh my god. Nice one. Sorry. Naninibago ako ulit. Tagal ko na kasing hindi naglalaro eh. Sorry guys ah. Sorry talaga. Okay, turtle tayo.
I only have time for handsome guys.
Reason. Di wag ka maniwala pare. Tignan mo yung mga ko. Wala lang, tignan mo lang yung mga gagawin ko mamaya. Na mga malulupit na Patay na yan, tol. Tol, patay ito, tol. Gago. Patay na nga yan. Hindi pa napatay, di ba? Joke lang.
I'll give you a chance to join my fan club.
Gago. Ang ina naman, ba't ganito ako ngayon?
Do you think I should dye my hair blue?
Gago. Gago, patay ako.
Initiate retreat. Slain a turtle. Initiate retreat.
Ang ina naman.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Putang ina naman. Oh my god.
Enemy double kill. You have slain an enemy. Your team enemy double kill. Request backup. Okay. Our turret has been destroyed.
Gago, retreat.
Initiate retreat.
Do you think I should dye my hair blue?
Gago, kalma. Patay na yun.
Enemy. Request backup.
Confirm tanking.
Gago.
Legendary. Initiate retreat. Understood. Our turret is under attack. We're behind the has been
Ang ina.
under attack.
Ganito yung ML ko. Naglalag. Delay putik.
I'll give you a chance to join my fan club.
Wag muna. Tang ina.
I only have time for handsome guys.
Ally has been slain. Killing spree. Double kill. Our turret is
Tanking.
Gago, wag.
Damage.
initiate retreat.
Sige, Dol. Sige, idol, sabi mo eh. Tangina, tatanggalin ko na yung optimization sa puke ng inang
Your team
ML ko.
destroyed a turret. Request
Pangit, naglalag. Animal. Gago.
slain.
This is really obvious.
Tang ina mo. Nice one.
Come to the dark abyss. I will lead you to victory.
You have slain an enemy.
Gago ka. Wala nang ulti yan ah.
Initiate retreat.
Gago, patay ako. Ano, hindi na tumatama ang ano. Pana ni Robin Hood.
Why does the moon seem so warm to me?
ina, muntikan ako dun. Wala na silang malupit. Malupit na mage.
There are ugly demons in the abyss, but there are also gorgeous owls like me.
Gago, tangina, patay na. Gago, basta tayo tol. Gago, back ka na. Gago, back pare ko eh.
Gather at the Lord.
Hindi naman bilis mapapatay yan.
Sure, there are ugly demons in the abyss.
Nice one, back na.
There are also
Back na.
gorgeous owls like me.
Mamaya ka na mag-flash. Ang ina. Back. Bot ako. Delay yung ano ko, screen ko. Wala na. Wala nang ulti yung mga yan. Ay, gago. Itong ina! Tara. Clear lane.
Instant kill.
An enemy has been slain.
Superb tanking.
Pwede mag-lord ah.
Request backup.
Pwede mag-lord.
Do you think
Slayer.
Well
I
played.
should dye my hair blue?
Destroyed a turret. Team destroyed.
Gago. Oops. Yat. Gago. Back muna. Gago pag naubos tayo dyan.
Request backup. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Gago ka.
Okay.
Uy, gago. Tangina, gago back.
Initiate attack.
Patay ka pare. Gago, sayang. Gago. Gago, yung creeps. Tangina, bakit? Tapos guys. Tangina, mantika na. Wala ko, hindi pa matatapos. Gago, ang pangit ng performance natin, Gar. Guys pala, no? Ba't Gar? Bawi tayo.